to thank warmly a distinguished representative from China for his remarks, and to also thank his government for the support of the Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, and to remind the delegates that this afternoon we will be returning to agenda item 7, the future work of the Permanent Forum. And we also have some announcements that will be made by our distinguished secretary. Mr. Secretary?
There is a meeting with the representative of the United States of America and Native American delegations at 1 p.m. in small conference room D. States, members, and specialized agencies who want to describe on the additional speakers for tomorrow's item 8, which is draft agenda for the 9th session, can do that behind me here. The lady is ready to take speakers. And the final announcement: the Commonwealth Secretariat would like to meet IP women from Commonwealth countries in this room for 15 minutes right after this meeting is over.
The meeting is adjourned until 3 o'clock.
Ryan.